Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing of the Pop Icons Marilyn Monroe number 24. Now, this is the, I believe, second of two of three Marilyn Monroe pops that have come out. The first one was the Funko Hollywood, then this one, and I believe the black and white one. I do not have the other two, only this one. So, take a closer look at it in the box. This box is damaged. I got it from Amazon. I pre-ordered this about a month ago for, I think it was $8.97. I am getting a replacement. I gotta send this one back or take it down to the drop-off location, but back here it's got some crazy damage right there. But we can still make a video and we can definitely take a look at this. I love the picture they used. I'm assuming that's the same pose. We'll have to, let's see. Yeah, kind of. I'm not sure which movie this is from. My mother is obsessed with Marilyn Monroe. I grew up watching a lot of the movies. I don't remember the names of the movies. I don't really remember the actors or any of that. But Marilyn Monroe was a big part of my childhood, between the posters on the walls, books on the bookshelf. So I'm making a video out of it. Also got damage right here too. You can see it through the light. Let's take her out of the box and see what she looks like. And see in 1 second. Okay, so I got her out of the box. She does come with a stand. These stands are annoying. I mean, I understand why they have stands for pops like this. My feet are all crazy, but a lot of these stands don't work. So we'll take a closer look at her underdress. Those are really some legs. Wow. You can see the 3D part of inside. Let's see if I can get a good glimpse somehow of this. Well, you have to use the stand. She does not stand up without the stand. So if you basically lose the stand, this pop is useless. But let's get it on the stand. There she goes. So, pull this guy more towards me. It's pretty cool how her hands are not a part of the dress. Completely different. That's creepy. How many pops have toes? Never paid attention to that. I think I'm gonna look and see. How many pops have their actual feet showing? I don't know. So yeah, this thing is got a lot going on to it. I can see them making a diamond version of this. Maybe the red dress. What's that? $1 million something? I do not know. Let's take a 360 look at her. You can still buy this. This is a common pop. I don't see this pop going up in value like the Hollywood one or the black and white one. I mostly picked this up, like I said. It was she's somebody that I grew up with, basically. It's weird as it is to say that. And I do plan on getting the Hollywood version of her. I do plan on getting the black and white version. Probably any future ones they come out with. So, Marilyn Monroe, icon, number 24. Here she is. You can buy her on Amazon. I believe you can buy her on Hot Topic, Box Lunch, Barnes & Noble, probably any of them. And she shouldn't cost more than $10. If you wait till the malls and everything open back up, you should be able to find her all over the places. Not to be a random person, but if you guys have not tried this, it's freaking amazing tasting. It's called Arizona Cherry Ricky Sparkling Cherry Limeade. Delicious. It's not even called cherry limeade, it's called cherry lime. Delicious. So freaking good. Not good for you, but it's delicious. Okay, back to the pop. Sorry. Had to tell you guys about that. It's so good. Anyways, definitely go pick this guy up. Number 24. Excuse me, girl. Up, number 24. Icon Marilyn Monroe. Have a great day. Stay healthy. Stay safe. And hopefully we can all get through this pandemic alive.